Welcome to lecture on Advanced Calculus and Numerical Methods. So in this lecture, I'm going to discuss briefly about the statement of Gauss divergence theorem and the problems related to the Gauss divergence theorem. And to find the flux also, we can use the formula of same Gauss divergence theorem only. So the statement of Gauss divergence theorem, it is given by f is equal to f2 f1 I cap plus f2 j cap plus f3 k cap is a vector point function having continuous functions in the region V bounded by a closed surface S. So then the triple integration del dot f or div f dv is equal to double integral over the surface S vector f dot n ds. So where this n is called as an unit normal vector for the surface S. So the same formula can be applicable to find the flux of the vector field also. So the same formula can be useful for finding the problem using the Gauss divergence theorem, and also to find the flux also we will be using the same formula. So the problem number 1, evaluate vector f is equal to x square minus yz I cap plus y square minus zx j cap plus z square minus xy k cap taken around the rectangle parallelepiped 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to a, 0 less than or equal to y less than or equal to b, 0 less than or equal to z less than or equal to c. So find the triple integral del dot f dv. So here from the given problem only it will be clear that we have to estimate the value of the Gauss divergence theorem by using the triple integral formula, that is the del dot f dv. So here the first thing is we have to identify the limits for x, y, z. So here given that the value of x varies from 0 to a, the value of y varies from 0 to b, and the value of y varies from 0 to c. And we have the f vector also. So from this f vector we have to estimate the value of del dot f first. So first let me consider the value of f. So f is equal to x square minus yz I cap plus y square minus zx j cap plus z square minus xy k cap. So now div f is given by del dot f is equal to dou by dou x I cap plus dou by dou y j cap plus dou by dou z k cap dot with x square minus yz I cap plus y square minus zx j cap plus z square minus xy k cap. Since here dot product is there, I am going to multiply I with I, j with j, k with k. So I will be getting dou by dou x of x square minus yz plus dou by dou y of y square minus zx plus dou by dou z of z square minus xy. So after differentiating x square minus yz with respect to x, I will be getting 2x plus differentiating y square minus zx with respect to y, I will be getting 2y plus differentiating z square minus xy with respect to z, I will be getting 2z. So I'll be getting div f is equal to what now? 2 times of x plus y plus z. So now I'm going to incorporate this div f value in the formula of triple integral. So therefore the triple integral div f dv is equal to the integration x varies from 0 to a, y varies from 0 to b, z varies from 0 to c into 2 times of x plus y plus z dx dy dz. I got it. So now I want to expand this triple integral. So first, so since all are constants only in the limit, so we can integrate however we want. So here I am going to integrate first for with respect to z. So that is integration 2 I am taking outside as a constant, integration x from 0 to a, y from 0 to b, z from 0 to c, x plus y plus z dz dy dx. So on integrating with respect to z first, I will be getting what? 2 times of x from 0 to a, y from 0 to b, xz plus yz plus z square by 2 with the limit 0 to c dy dx. So now wherever z is there, I'm going to apply the upper limit as c, lower limit as 0. So if I apply lower limit, obviously the complete term will become 0, only upper limit only I can use here. So I'll be getting 2 times of x from 0 to a, y from 0 to b, cx plus cy plus c square by 2 into dy dx I can write it. So now again I'm going to integrate with respect to y. So I'll be getting what? 2 times of x from 0 to a, cxy plus cy square by 2 plus c square y between the limit 0 to b. So apply the lower limit, I'll be getting 0 completely. So only upper limit I'm using here. So I'll be getting 2 times of integration x from 0 to a, bcx plus cb square by 2 plus c square b by 2 into dx. So finally now integrating with respect to x. So I'll be getting what? 2 times of bcx square by 2 plus b square cx by 2 plus b c square x by 2 with between the limit 0 to a. So same thing here also, applying the lower limit, it will become 0. Only upper limit I am using here. I'll be getting 2 times of bc square a by 2 plus b square ca by 2 plus bc square by c square a by 2. I'll be taking a common factor as abc by 2 common factor. 2 gets cancelled. So answer is abc into a plus b. Is the required solution for the triple integral for the given rectangular box. Problem number 2. If f is equal to 2x square minus 3z I cap minus 2xy j cap minus 4x k cap, evaluate a triple integral over the region V del dot f dv, where V is a region bounded by the planes 2x plus 2y plus z is equal to 7. So now given f is equal to what here, 2x square minus 3z I cap minus 2xy minus j cap minus 4x k cap. So first let me estimate the value of div f's. So finding div f, dou by dou x I cap plus dou by dou y j cap plus dou by dou z k cap dot with 2x square minus 3z I cap minus 2xy j cap minus 4x k cap. So after applying the dot, I'll be getting the equation like dou by dou x 2x square minus 3z plus dou by dou y minus 2xy plus dou by dou z minus 4x. So I'll be getting what? 4x from this one, minus 2x from this one, and 0 from this one. The answer will be 2x I got for div f. So now from the given plane, I should find the value of the limits for x, y, z. So now to find the limit for x, y, z, so initially we will be having x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, and z is equal to 0. So now I'm going to find the value of the x limit. So how we can find x limit means, so now suppose I want to estimate the value of x as a constant limit. So for that I will be replacing y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0. So that I can get the value of x limit as x varies from 0 to 2. Okay. 0 to 2. And similarly, to represent the y as a variable limit, I am going to represent y in terms of the previous variable. That is, in terms of x variable I am going to represent. For that I am replacing only z is equal to 0. So if I replace only z is equal to 0, keeping 2x as it is, I will be getting the value of the y limit is 2 minus x. So y varies from 0 to 2 minus x. Similarly, to represent z in terms of previous two variables like x and y, so I'll be getting the value of y, z is equal to 4 minus 2x minus 2y. So z varies from 0 to 4 minus 2x minus 2y. So now if I incorporate all these limits in the formula of Gauss divergence theorem, I'll be getting the triple integral div f dv is equal to x varies from 0 to 2, y varies from 0 to 2 minus x, z varies from 0 to 4 minus 2 minus x minus 2y. The function 2x 2z dz dy dx. The first thing again, I am going to integrate this one with respect to z. So since we are two constant, I can take outside 2 times of x from 0 to 2, y from 0 to 2 minus x, x is z 0 to 4 minus 2x minus 2y dy dx. So on integrating this, so now applying the limit, I'll be getting what? 2 times of x from 0 to 2, y from 0 to 2 minus x into 4 minus 2x minus 2y dy dx I got it. So now again I'm going to integrate with respect to y. So 2 I'm keeping as it is, x from 0 to 2, x is a constant now with respect to y. So I'll be keeping x as it is only. 4y minus 2xy minus 2y square by 2 between the limit 0 to 2 minus x. So applying the upper limit, wherever y is there, I'm replacing it as 2 minus x. So I'll be getting what? 2 times of x integration x from 0 to 2, x into 4 into 2 minus x minus 2x into 2 minus x. 2 gets cancelled here, 2 minus x whole square I will get it. So on simplifying that equation further, by taking 2 minus x common factor, I'll be getting 2 times of x from 0 to 2, x into 2 minus x, 4 minus 2x minus 2 plus x into dx I'll be getting there. So 2 into x minus 2 whole square into x into 2 minus x, 2 minus x dx I'll be getting. So it will be equal to what? 2 times of x from 0 to 2, x into x square minus 4x plus 4 dx I will get it. So now on expanding this further by taking x inside the bracket, I'll be getting the equation like 2 times of x from 0 to 2, x cube minus 4x square plus 4x dx. So I'll be getting after integration 2 times of x power 4 by 4 minus 4x cube by 3 plus 4x square by 2 between the limit 0 to 2. So applying the upper limit, I'll be getting 2 times of 4 minus 32 by 3 plus 8. On simplifying this, I'll be getting the solution like 2 into 4 by 3. Answer will be 8 by 3 will get it. So this is a required solution for the given triple integral by using the Gauss divergence theorem. Thank you.